Welcome guys to my Tech Gadgets Unboxing YouTube channel. So today's video is about unboxing of preacher curl. So this product is an optional option for you. If you have a home gym and you want to add some equipment, this product is definitely for you. Okay. So if you want to buy this product, links are in the description below, and also I have mentioned the price. Okay. So before we begin to start this video, if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button right below and click on the bell icon. And you can also follow me on my social media account, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Links are in my description box. So go and check it out. So watch this video till end and don't forget the links are in my description box. Okay, so let's go. I almost forgot that this product will be in pre-assembled. So guys, just let's start the unboxing of this preacher curl. As you can see here, it is already pre-assembled. Now I am just removing all the top plastic coverage and all. One by one I will open up all the plastic case, all the tapes and all. This product doesn't consume much more space, only little space just consumes it. As you can see my previous video of pull-up bar, this video is second of kind. If you have any weight like barbell, dumbbell weight, you can do your biceps exercise, triceps exercise and all it. Okay, you can see the preacher forward incline to decline, the typical preacher machine, or I would say the preacher curl machine. I'm just doing fast forward. Some of the clips are very long clips, so I have done the fast forward that clip. Okay, as you can see, there is a lever, so you can just do you adjust your seat, preacher seat, not the actual seat. Actual seat also have that lever, so you can just uh, adjust your height according to your body for doing exercise and all, just like you have done in the gyms. Again I am doing a fast forward. This product is a very good, fantastic product because I am using this also, and it is giving me all kind of the biceps pumping and all, just like Arnold Schwarzenegger did it. Okay, unwrapping is still going on. It is pretty tough to unwrapping this. I got a couple of hours to unwrap this preacher. I have taken the help of my father. Okay, so I'm going fast forward this clip. Now you can see here the seat is unrevealing. Okay, you can see the preacher, the seat, both. You can adjust the height using the down lever. Again fast forward, I'm just quickly unwrap this. Okay, okay. After 1 hours, now you can see your preacher machine. As you can see here, the basic fundamental of the preacher machine. You can see, do your exercise, biceps, triceps exercise, or whichever exercise you want. It can easily be do. There is some handle, you can put your bar to it and you do your biceps exercise on it. Thank you. So guys, I am going to show you here is what is the height of this preacher. So this preacher, how much is the height, and not only this, I will show you the seat level also. Okay, so let's watch this. This is your last ending point. So guys, here is your the height of this preacher. So you can do workout. You want to do your workouts. Okay, this is the maximum preacher height. I will tell you what is the height is. Now let's see what is the height of the seat. Okay. So this is your maximum level of height of this preacher. So guys, now you have seen the height of the preacher and as well as the seat level. Now I am going to show you what are the couple of workouts do you want to work out on the preacher. Okay, so let's go. So guys, I'm going to show you a workout. The first workout is the bicep curl, preacher curls. So you can use this bar, straight bar, or you can use this preacher bar. So you can use both of the bars as you want, as you wish. Do you want to work out? Especially I'm going to work out with this, okay, straight bar, because a lot more comfortable than this. I'm going to show the workout. Okay, so let's go. So guys, I just put up the bar and I will just put up the weight. Okay, so I just take normal weight, 5 kilos. Okay, I just loaded up. Now we're going to start the workout of preacher curl. So get a napkin first. You don't want to weight your equipments. Okay, so let's go. This can be your shrugs, like barbell strokes, and you can use it for a deadlift also. Now I am going to show you the fourth exercise. Okay. This is a fifth exercise. Fifth exercise. Now, sixth exercise. So guys, thanks for watching. Now we are seeing all the workouts. You can do all the experiments on this machine, on this bench. So let me know in the comment section, and please share this video to your friends and families. Peace out. So guys, hope you enjoy the video and share it with your friends and family, and also tell me in the comment section. And wait, where you guys are going? Wait, have you subscribed our channel? No? So hit the subscribe button right below. It takes a matter of second, and click on the bell icon so you get the notification about my new videos. And please check our other videos also. You can also connect me on my Instagram, Lethal Gadgets, Facebook, Unboxing with Pranav, and my Twitter handle also. Please connect me with on Blogger. My URL is pranav.ideasunlimited.net. Second URL is unboxing.ideasunlimited.net. Links are in the description below. Until then, I will meet you on some simple, beautiful, and interesting videos at my tech gadget unboxing. Feel free to support me. Peace.